Hey there, in this quick video, I'm going to compare the 24G2 with the 24G4 AOC, like what are the main differences between these two. So primarily the first thing, as you can see, with the 24G2 you have only 144 Hz, comparing to G4 you have 180 Hz, so this is also really important. And here you're gonna have 0.5 ms, and here we have 1 ms, so this is like another really important thing. I'll just show you right here regarding the specifications, what you need to know. So when we're going to, we have 1 ms MPRT with the response time. With the G4 you have better response time. You're gonna have right here, look at this. So you're gonna have MPRT response time, each is better, and 1 ms GTG. So this is the first thing. Now when we dive into further into differences, when you need to know is that both are IPS, both are 8 bits, both got same bits. But now when we're going to look here, we can see the screen brightness is better for G4. Then you're going to have also better dynamic screen contrast, better the response for the G4. And when we're going to look here, I don't know if it got audio speakers or no. So this is the first thing that I don't know. Maybe, so I was like researching, maybe the AOC 24G4 doesn't have audio speakers, but it got more features when you go look here. So you have both got flicker free, both got you got AOC G menu, low blue light, FPS counter, that's something that you have. And then when we're going to look more further, I wanted to show you also another thing here that is important. Yeah, here, look at this connectivity. So you have more connections for the AOC G2 comparing to the AOC G4. So this is the one thing you need to know. But other than that, the G4 is just like dominating G2 in my opinion, when I just look here on the specs. So just want to make this quick video for you. What do you actually need to know? Yeah, more signal outputs. And have a great day and goodbye.